Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you are all well aware, the royal wedding happened this weekend and I absolutely loved Meghan Markle's makeup, so I thought I would shoot a quick tutorial video showing you how you can recreate Meghan's wedding makeup look. So if you are interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Starting out, I'm going to be moisturizing my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. For foundation, I'm going in with L'Oreal True Match in the shade W3. This foundation is definitely more of a sheer to medium coverage, and it definitely looked like Meghan had a lighter coverage foundation on. You could definitely see her freckles and her skin showing through the makeup, so I did really want to pick a foundation that was a little bit more lightweight and dewy. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C4 and just placing a small amount of that under my eyes and blending that in with the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge and just blending that in until everything looks really smooth and seamless. To set under the eyes, I'm just using a light dusting of the RCMA No Colour Powder. To keep the skin really dewy and natural, I'm using this liquid blush in the shade Orgasm from Nars and applying that with my fingers to my cheeks and then blending that out again with the Miracle Complexion Sponge from Real Techniques. I absolutely love this blush. It's such a pretty colour and it adds such a beautiful sheen to the skin. To set the T-zone and keep it from going oily, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Skin Weightless Powder Foundation and just applying that to the T-zone of my face. To highlight the face, I'm going into the Strobe Powder from the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette and just highlighting the tops of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and brow bone. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Poni Cosmetics Main Stain in the shade Chestnut and just following along my natural brow line. Meghan's brows were quite natural, so not going too overboard with this. Using a fine liner brush and that same brow gel, I'm just going in very, very lightly and going over where my natural freckles are on my face. Again, just keeping this really, really natural and placing the freckles where they naturally appear. You could definitely see Meghan's freckles peeking through the makeup, so I think doing this step really just helps to keep the look looking very, very natural and really pretty. For the eyes today, I'm going into the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and taking the shade White Chocolate and dusting that all over the lid. Then going into the shade Salted Caramel, we're going to be placing that into the crease and blending that out using a Zoeva Luxe Crease Brush. Meghan wore a very soft smoky eye, so just be sure to use a light hand and blend, blend, blend to keep everything looking really smooth, seamless and natural. And now applying that same shade just underneath the lower lash line. Next I'm taking the shade Semi Sweet and lightly dusting that all over the lid. Now taking the shade Triple Fudge and placing that as close as possible to the lash line to smoke out the look. I'm now going on to line the eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Kohl Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Bedroom Black. Now going in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara and applying a light coat to my upper and lower lashes. For false lashes, I'm going in with my Andrea Maree Luxury Silk Lashes in the style Angelic. These are a very, very natural pair of lashes. I think that they look perfect with this look. Meghan definitely was wearing lashes, but they were very, very natural, so these are perfect to recreate that. Meghan wore a very subtle pink lip, so to recreate that I'm going in with the Poni Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Exposed, and I'm just filling my lips in with that lip liner. And then I'm going over the top of that with my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, just to add a little bit more pink to the look. To finish off the look, I'm just going in with my Glam Glow Makeup Setting Spray. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope that you liked this video. I absolutely loved Meghan's makeup look. I thought it was so refreshing that she went with something a little bit more natural. I loved that you could see her freckles and her skin shining through underneath the makeup. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of her makeup. If you did like this video, then be sure to hit that thumbs up button, as it really helps my channel out. Subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever it is that you are. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!